We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a detailed look at the small bottle pipe screens accessories, a cool gadget designed for men by the Imakara store. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This product combines stylish design with practical functionality, making it an intriguing choice for smokers who value portability and durability. It features a compact alloy bottle design that blends seamlessly with its pipe functionality, offering both aesthetic appeal and ease of use. The alloy build ensures sturdiness while remaining lightweight and resistant to corrosion, making it suitable for various environments, whether you're camping, traveling, or relaxing at home. Its ultra-portable size allows it to slip easily into pockets or bags, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Additionally, its simple disassembly makes cleaning effortless, both inside and out. One of the standout aspects of this product is its unique design. Many users appreciate the trendy bottle look that sets it apart from traditional tobacco pipes. This novelty factor makes it an excellent gift option for men on special occasions, such as birthdays or anniversaries. The compact size is another highlight, as it caters to those who prefer discreet smoking accessories that are easy to carry around without drawing attention. However, opinions on pipe screens and their usage vary widely among smokers. Some believe screens are essential for preventing debris from entering the stem or mouthpiece, while others argue they are unnecessary if the pipe is packed correctly. This product's compatibility with screens could appeal to users who prioritize a cleaner smoking experience and reduced maintenance. Durability is another key feature praised by users who value long-lasting accessories. The alloy material resists wear and tear over time, ensuring that the pipe remains functional and visually appealing even after extended use. This makes it particularly suitable for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable equipment during camping trips or travels. On the downside, some users have expressed concerns about screens diminishing the bowl's capacity due to the space they occupy. While this might require smokers to pack smaller amounts of tobacco or herbs, it can be mitigated by smoking additional bowls as needed. Cleaning screens can also be a challenge for some users, especially if they are not accustomed to maintaining smoking accessories regularly. Overall, the small bottle pipe screens accessories offer a blend of style, portability, and practicality that appeals to many users. Its compact size and durable build make it a versatile choice for various settings, while its novel design adds a touch of personality to smoking sessions. Whether you're looking for a unique gift or a reliable personal accessory, this product has much to offer. Remember, the link to purchase this item is in the description. Using it supports our channel. If you own this product or have experience using similar gadgets, please share your thoughts in the comments below to help others decide if this is the right choice for them.